This is amazing. I never in my life thought it would turn out the way it turned out. We wanted to develop something that would show our appreciation for veterans within FirstEnergy.
You hear a lot of stories from the veterans.
I was in the United States Air Force, United States Navy aviation electronics mechanic on CH-46 helicopters.
I was on the USS Independence.
I wasn't in the military. My son served for 11 years, and working with veterans, and it helped me realize what the veterans, past and in the present, what they've done for our country.
People have died defending that flag in other countries.
I have some friends that are still in the service, and they donated a couple flags. 2 of them were from Iraq. One was from the 9/11 Air Wing out of Pittsburgh. And then we ended up purchasing 2 from the Pearl Harbor Memorial. And these plaques displayed one of those flags. And then the veterans from that area, the plan right now is to put these in meeting rooms.
This means a lot.
Each one of these flags has a story behind it. It makes you remember those that served with you and the bonds that you developed. It makes you appreciate those that didn't come home.
That's an amazing sacrifice for families to make sure this country stays as great as what it is. I think honor, duty.
The things that we enjoy every day, we wouldn't have without the veterans.
I just really appreciate FirstEnergy for letting us put this on.
They support the veterans.